Hello G Squad, welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and today we are going to do a really cool dragon inspired situation, and we're going to start with a deep smile line, and we're going to do that on 2 of these nails. Just going to show you the one. And we are going to do a second set, and this is going to be a shorter set, more masculine in energy, so you could do lots of different things with this. If you are a woman with more masculine energy, great for you. If you're a man and you love wearing nails, they would be great for you. If you're a husband and wife, a wife and wife, a husband and husband, whatever your situation is, this would be great for you. You could even do this like brother, sister, cousin, cousin, friend, friend. I love this set. I love these sets, and I hope that you feel the same way. But I'm just calling it his and hers because really that's the thing you think of, like his and hers towels, his and hers whatever, right? Whatever. But it could be whatever situation is appropriate in your life. These nails I think would work for a lot of people. Now the other 3 nails we are going to paint black, but 2 of them are gonna get a lot of a treatment, and one of them is going to get a cute little dragon situation. So we have a lot of situations today. So we're going to go ahead and give each one of these 2 full coats of black. But again, I'm going to skip that second coat because from here, looking pretty good. But trust me, I'm doing a very thin coat, very thin coat. So you guys, Halloween is coming up. Please be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of the cool Halloween content that's coming up. Now, the tip on these French, we're going to start with the black as well. All of these nails from this point are going to get the same treatment except that middle nail, which is funny because you'll see in a minute. You'll see in a minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the first coat here. And I love doing a deep smile line. You can even go way deeper than this, but I needed enough room for our treatment, so I just left it with a little more room. But you can definitely get a deeper smile line than that. And to me, the deeper the better. But we definitely need more room for this. So now the second thing we're gonna do on all of the black places is add this gold beautiful gold glitter situation, and I made a mistake. That middle one, that did not need that, so that gold nail is going to be removed and replaced with a plain black nail, because otherwise what I had planned for that is not gonna work, and I need it to be just plain black, and you'll see why in just a few minutes. So now we are just adding the gold on these French nails, because these 2 nails and the other 2 gold nails from this point, well, the whole time, all the black is going to look exactly the same. And now we're going to come in with a base coat. You can do this with a blooming gel, but honestly, I don't have a blooming gel, but B, I don't want it to bloom too fast because I wanted a specific thing to happen. I want all of them to bloom, to spread, which is really what it's doing. It's spreading a little bit, but only a tiny bit. I wanted to be the thing that is controlling where it's going and how wide or thick it is. And so we're just creating that dragon skin look, those scales, with this real pretty teal color, which is everything so far has been Model 1s, but this is CND Creative Play. And we're just now doing some dots right along the side, sort of in between the other scales. And just making sure everything is the way I want it, giving it a little more color. It's not 100% opaque, so you can still see the glitter a little bit through it, and I really like that effect. And we are going to repeat that here. And honestly, this is a thing where I felt like I got better doing it with every nail I did. So if you're not happy at first, wipe it off and go again, right? Just keep trying. This is an easy technique, but it's also a technique that's super easy to feel frustrated by, because maybe at first it's not doing what you want and you need to build up speed to get through it before it spreads too much, or whatever your situation is. So don't be afraid to try over and over again, or to practice on some tips if you're trying to do it on yourself, and give yourself the time that you need to perfect it, because it really is a fun technique and you could do a lot of things with this. So I think you could probably do flowers and all kinds of cool stuff. So now on that middle black nail, I am just grabbing this little dragon that's gold, and that ties in the gold glitter, and there goes that tip. If you weren't here for the last video or the video before, I think it was the last video though, and that happened to me. It happens a lot. I don't always show it in the videos, but it was at a crucial time, so I felt like I kind of had to throw it in. It just cracks me up. Okay, we are just hitting these with a little bit of top coat, and then we are going to pop them in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I absolutely love this set. This is one of the sets where I'm like, why didn't I do this on myself? And that thumbnail gives me all of the vibes. It's my favorite nail, I think, of everything I did, but we have not gotten to the second set yet, which is honestly so cute. And I was nervous about doing it because I don't do a lot of short nails, and but as soon as I sat down and started thinking about how I wanted to lay it out, and thinking about doing something with a masculine tone, it just started to hit me what I wanted to do, and the flow was there, and I really enjoyed myself doing it. So what I'm doing right here is just doing that same black color on those three nails, and then we're going to come in with the teal color and do a full nail on the other two that are left. And then we're going to pop those in the lamp, and everybody is getting 2 full coats, of course, for full opacity. Then once we get out of the lamp, we're going to start by doing just half of the pinky nail and the thumbnail. We're going to do just half of those gold. And this gold is so easy to work with. You don't even need to try to use a liner brush. It just lines so easy. That middle nail is going to be the one that gets the dragon. And of course, where we put the gold on the black nails is where we are going to do our dragon scale technique. On these 3 nails, I'm going to go ahead and do the top coat right now and pop them in the lamp, as we are done with them. And this is going to be a matte top coat situation, so you're not going to see these shiny again. We're just going to pop them right in the lamp, and as soon as I smooth that out and give them a full 60-second cure. There's something in that top coat. Drives you crazy, doesn't it? Now I'm going to come in with the base coat and give this a nice smoothing, and then we're going to hit it with that technique. And you want to go quick because it is going to try to get into the black. And if you notice, when at the end you do see that it did drift in there a tiny bit, but you know, you live and you learn. And now we're just coming in with the last of that dragon scale technique, that you can call this croc skin, or you can call it dragon skin or snake skin. It all works. Now I'm doing on these 2 nails shiny on the dragon scales and matte on the black side. So it's going to have a 2 finish situation. And then once I get this one finished, we'll pop both of them into the lamp for a full 60-second cure. And once they come out, this is the finished sets. Guys, I love these nails. I love the masculine, feminine, the they, them, the his, hers, and that thumbnail. Oh, it's giving me all the vibes. There are so many different styles and aesthetics that we could apply to this particular they, them, his, her situation. If there's something particular you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section below, because I got a lot of ideas myself. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.
Bye.